Continue chapter 2 polynomials. Exercise 2.4 first sum. Determine which of the following has x plus 1 is a factor or not. So third sum, x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. We have to determine x plus 1 is a factor of this or not. So if we divide by x plus 1 and remainder is 0, then it is a factor, otherwise not. So find the remainder only. X plus 1 is take 0, therefore x is equal to minus 1, therefore remainder is p of minus 1. Means you have to find p of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1 raised to 4, 3 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. So here find the answer of this. If answer is 0, then it is a factor, otherwise not. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. 3 into minus 1 cube is minus 1. 3 into plus 1, minus 1 square. Minus 1 plus 1 is cut. Now 1 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cut 1. Remainder is 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of px. So see, answer is 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of px. If answer is 0, then it is a factor. Answer is 1, then it is not a factor. Similarly, we will do sum number 4. See here, this is divided by x plus 1. Again, x plus 1 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Find p of minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. Simplify this. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1. But this remains minus because minus remains as it is. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Minus into plus plus root 2 and then plus root 2. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. These two are cancelled. Answer is 2 root 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of px. So if answer is not equal to 0, then it is not a factor. But if answer is 0, then it is a factor. So in both the cases, answer is not 0, therefore it is not a factor of px. So it's very easy. You have to find the remainder, and remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Remainder is not 0, then not a factor. So see it properly. Second sum. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px for the following. The same method is here. We have to find that this is a factor of this or not, but by using factor theorem. So again, you have to find the remainder. If remainder is 0, then it is a factor, otherwise not. Let x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Remainder is p of minus 2. Minus 2 cube, 3 into minus 2 square, 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Find the value of this. Minus 8. 3 into minus 2 square is plus 4. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1. minus 8 minus 6 minus 40 12 plus 1 plus 30 minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is not a factor of px. So here you have to put the value. If answer is not 0, then it is not a factor of px. All sums are very easy and same method. Here see, this is also same. X minus 3 is 0. Therefore x is equal to 3. Find p of 3. 3 cube 4 into 3 square plus x is 3, 6. 3 cube is 27. 4 into 3 square is 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 27 minus 36 plus 9. 27 plus 9, 36. 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of polynomial. So answer here, answer is 0. Therefore, it is a factor of polynomial. But in other cases, answer is not 0. Then it is not a factor of polynomial. So you have to just find the remainder. Remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Not 0, then not a factor. Now, exercise 2.4, third sum. Find k if x minus 1 is a factor of the following. So, how can you find k? X minus 1 is a factor, therefore remainder is 0. X minus 1 is 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, p of 1 is 0. Now, what is p of 1? K into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1 is 0. But we have to find k. K into 1 square is k. Minus root 2 plus 1 is 0. Therefore, k is equal to what? Root 2 goes on other side, become plus, plus 1 goes on other side, become minus. So, value of k is root 2 minus 1. So, see, if it is divided by x minus 1, then remainder is 0. Why? Because it is given, it is a factor. Given it is a factor, therefore remainder is 0. Therefore, p of 1 is 0. So, in place of x, write 1 and find the value of k. One more. Here also, p of 1 is 0. K into 1 square. 3 into 1 plus k is 0. K minus 3 plus k is 0. 2k minus 3 is 0. 2k is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3 by 2. So, see, how can you find the value of k? So, this type of sum may be asked for 2 marks. Find the value of k. And if it is small, then may be asked for 1 mark also. Now, next sum, factorize. Third sum is factorize. This is a very common sum. It is of 8th standard. It is just a revision. You already learned this in 8th standard. Here factorize, it is called splitting method. Multiplication is, you have to find two numbers whose multiplication is 12 into 1. 12. If last sign is plus, then in addition, we want 7. Find two number whose multiplication is 12, addition is 7. So which are two number? Find two number whose multiplication is 12 and addition is 7. So 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12 and 3 plus 4 7. So which are the parts? 4x and 3x. You want minus 7x. Therefore, minus 4x minus 3x, because you want minus 7x. What is common in first two? 4 and 12 both comes in the table of 4. So 4 is common, x is common. 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. Nothing is common, then take 1 common. Sign remains as it is. Minus 1 common, so all the sign are changed. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. See, this and this must be same. Otherwise your sum is wrong. 3x minus 1 common. What is left? 4x and minus 1. So this is the answer. Same sum. Multiplication is 6 and addition is 7. So 6 and 1. 6 and 1 are the numbers. So 2x square plus 6x plus 1x, or you can write only x. So plus 6 plus 1 is plus 7. What is common? 2x, x plus 3, 1 common, x plus 3. X plus 3 common, 2x plus 1. Answer. So it is of 8th standard. It's very easy. You already learned this all. One more here. Third sum. Multiplication is 6 into 6, 36. If last sign is minus, then subtraction is 5. Last sign is minus, then subtraction, last sign is plus, then addition. So subtraction is 5. Find two number whose multiplication is 36. Subtraction is 5. So see, 9 and 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 into 4, 36. So 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. You want plus 5. Plus 5 चाहिए. So bigger one is plus, smaller one is minus. Plus 9 minus 4, then you will get plus 5. If you write minus 9 plus 4, you will get minus 5. That is wrong. What is common in these two? 6 and 9. Both comes in the table of 3. 3 common, x common, 2x plus 3. Here 2 is common, 2x plus 3. Minus 2 is common, so both will become plus. Sign is changed. 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2. Again, multiplication is 12. Last sign is minus. Subtraction is 1. So number is 4 and 3 itself. 4 minus 3, 1, and 4 3s are 12. So 3x square, you want minus x. So bigger one is minus, smaller one is plus. Minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. You want minus x. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus x. X common, 3x minus 4. 1 common, 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 common, x plus 1. So this is the answer. So this is the most IMP method because whole 10th is based on this. Whole 10th is based on this. Therefore, this is very important method for you. So must prepare this method and do extra sum of this from practice book of standard 8. And it is given in the RD Sharma also. Many sums are given in the RD Sharma. So you can do from RD Sharma also. Now fifth sum. Factorize. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. See, first try to take common from 2. And if remainder is same, then you can apply that method. What is common in first two? X square, x minus 2, minus 1 common, x minus 2. So it is x minus 2 common. And what is left? X square minus 1. X minus 2. X square minus 1 is x minus 1, x plus 1. You know the factor of x square minus 1. So this is very easy. But see here, if you take common from first two, x square is common, then what is left? X minus 3. But here nothing is common. 1 is common, then 9x plus 5. So they are different. Then what we have to do? Then in place of x, write 1 and minus 1. First, minus 1, suppose x plus 1 is a factor. Then x plus 1 is 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1. Minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 square. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 square is plus 1, plus 9, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 3, plus 9, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 3 is minus 4. 9 minus 5 is plus 4. 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial. X plus 1 is a factor of polynomial. Then you have to find the factorizations. So see, one different method, synthetic division. What is synthetic division? See here. First write the coefficient 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 5. It is divided by x plus 1. Therefore x is equal to what? Minus 1. Value of x is minus 1. Here write 0. What come? 1 plus 0 is 0. Then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 4. Minus 10 into minus 4 is plus 4. Minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. And answer is 0. So what is a factor? Here decreasing order. There are 3 terms, and in which of the polynomial there are 3 terms? The quadratic. So it is a quadratic polynomial, x square, x and 1. So factors are, one of the factor is x plus 1 and second is x square minus 4x minus 5. Then again splitting method, multiplication is 5 and subtraction, last and minus, subtraction is 4. So what is the part? Now we have to do directly. Minus 5x plus 1x. Common from 2 to x common, 1 common. So factors are x plus 1, x minus 5, x plus 1. This is the answer. So this is a 3 marker sum. See again how we will do the sum. First of all, see the sum. Here if you put 1, then answer is not 0. We can see directly. So tie with minus 1. And x is minus 1, then x plus 1 is a factor. So suppose x plus 1 is a factor, then x plus 1 is 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. So in place of x write minus 1 and find the answer. Answer is 0. Then of course x plus 1 is a factor of px or polynomial. Now this is a different method. It is not given in the textbook. This is called synthetic division. First write the coefficient here. 1, its coefficient is minus 3, minus 9 and minus 5. 1, minus 3, minus 9 and minus 1. X is equal to what? Minus 1. So write minus 1 here. Here you have to write 0. Now 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Again multiply these two. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. Right here. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Here must be 0. Otherwise, if this is not 0, then your sum is wrong. So here x plus 1 is a factor. Given here x plus 1 is a factor. And other factor is 1, 2 and 3 terms are there. That is quadratic. X square, x and 1. So x square minus 4x minus 5. Splitting method. Last sign is minus. Then multiplication is 1 into 5. 5 subtraction is 4. Minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. common from 2, take common from 2, you will get the answer. So this is the final answer. Now third sum of it, again factorize of this. Again let x plus 1 is a factor, therefore x is equal to minus 1. Find p of minus 1 and the remainder. Minus 1 cube, 13 into minus 1 square, 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, 13 into minus 1 square is plus 1, and 13 into plus 1 is 13, minus 32 plus 20. Minus 1 plus 13 is 12, minus 32 plus 20 is minus 12, 0. Therefore, again x plus 1 is a factor, and x plus 1 is a factor, therefore x is equal to minus 1. To same method here, synthetic division. This is called synthetic division. 1, 13, 32, 20. Write the coefficient. 1, 13, 32 and 20. In place of x you have to write minus 1. 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 13 minus 1, 12. Minus 1 into 12, minus 12. 32 minus 12 is 20. Minus 1 into 20, minus 20. Answer is 0. 3 terms, so it is a quadratic. Factors are 1 is x plus 1, other is x square plus 12x plus 20. Again splitting. Multiplication is 20, addition is 12. Find the factor. So factor is 10 2s are 20 and 10 plus 2 12. 10x plus 2x plus 20. Take common from 2 to x common, x plus 10, 2 common, x plus 10. So factors are x plus 1, x plus 10, x plus 2. So this is the answer. See it properly. Method is same as sum number 2. It is IMP sum. Most IMP. From second and third, one sum must be asked in exam. And it is 3 marker sum. Now see here. Here you can take common from 2 because y square is common, 2y plus 1, and minus 1 is common, then again 2y plus 1. These both are same, so you can take common. 2y plus 1 common. What is left? Y square and minus 1. What is the factor of y plus y square minus 1? Y minus 1, y plus 1. So this is the answer. So this is very easy. If directly common is there from two terms, you can take common. Otherwise, apply that method. X plus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor. So see it again, see it properly. Example 7. It is given in the example, but it's little bit tough, so we'll do. Long division. This is a long division method. So you have to solve this by long division method. Divide this polynomial by x minus 1. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. See, 4, 3, then there must be 2, then 1. So here terms of square is not given. So you have to add the term of square. So here see, how can you divide? 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube. Now term of square is not given. So you can add 0 square, 0x square minus 3x minus 1. Why? Because 0x square is 0. You can add 0 because 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 0 is 3. So you can 0 in anything. So add here 0x square. So sum will become easy. Now divide by x minus 1. This is the most important method. This common in 9 and 10. In 10 there are many sums of long division are given. Now you want 3x raised to 4 and this is x. X is given. You want 3x raised to 4. Multiply by 3x cube. So this into this is 3x raised to 4 and then this into this is minus 3x cube. Then you have to change the sign. It's compulsory. These two are cancelled. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube. Now sign of 3 is this now. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube is minus x cube plus 0x square. Now you want minus x cube and this is x. So multiply it by minus x square. Minus x square into x is minus x cube. Minus x square into minus 1 plus x square. With minus into minus plus. Change the sign again. Now it is minus x square because this is 0 only. So minus x square minus 3x. You want minus x square. Again multiply by minus x into x. Minus x square. Minus into minus plus x plus minus. Cut again. Minus 3x minus x. Minus 4x minus 1. Now you want minus 4x minus 1. So multiply by minus 4 into x. Minus 4x minus into minus plus. Change the sign again. Again these two are cancelled. What is left? Minus 1 and minus 4. Minus 5. So remainder is minus 5. So this is called long division. This is most important method. First of all, you want 3x raised to 4. So multiply x by what? Then you will get 3x raised to 4. Multiply by 3x cube. 3x cube into x. 3x raised to 4. 3x cube into minus 1 minus 3x cube. Then change the sign. Now minus 4 plus 3 is minus x cube plus 0x square. Now you want minus x cube, multiply by minus x square. Minus x square into x minus x cube minus x square into minus 1 plus x square. Again change the sign. Minus then plus, these two are cancelled. 0x square minus x square. Minus x square minus 3x carry. You want minus x square, multiply by minus x. Minus x into x minus x square minus into minus plus x. Change the sign. Plus plus then minus. These two are cancelled. Minus 3x minus x minus 4x and minus 1 carry here. Now you want minus 4x, multiply by minus 4 into x. Minus 4x minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Now change the sign. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Remainder is minus 5. So this is a long division method. Most IMP sum. Maximum asked in the exam. See it properly. Now this is the homework. Example 7, 8 and 15. Exercise 2.4 all. Do this homework and check by parents. This must be checked by parents. So parents have to check this homework because parents see that if student do their homework or not. Lockdown is not time pass. You have to do hard work. So complete this in notebook. Thank you very much.